Tensions in the South China Sea are escalating yet again. The Chinese military has launched combat readiness patrols around the hotly disputed Scarborough Shoal, an area at the heart of an ongoing conflict with the Philippines. China's People's Liberation Army Southern Theater Command announced that naval and air patrols around Scarborough, what China calls Zhuangyan Island, have intensified since January. Beijing claims this is about safeguarding sovereignty, but Manila is calling it aggressive and coercive. Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has demanded that China respect Philippine sovereign rights in the West Philippine Sea, the name Manila uses for South China Sea waters inside its EEZ. The Philippines has repeatedly protested what it calls China's illegal presence and operations at the shoal. Scarborough Shoal is just one of several flashpoints between Manila and Beijing. Other contested areas include the Second Thomas Shoal and Sabina Shoal, where similar Chinese maneuvers have triggered diplomatic outrage. Meanwhile, another sore point: the US military's Typhoon missile system. Since April, Washington has stationed the system in northern Philippines, a move Beijing sees as a direct provocation, covering not just the South China Sea but the Taiwan Strait as well. China's military is also making it clear that its patrols aren't just about flexing naval power. A state-affiliated Chinese broadcaster says PLA warplanes, including fighter jets, bombers, and transport aircraft, are now operating in a more coordinated and systematized manner over the South China Sea. So, where is this heading? Will Manila and its allies push back harder? Will Beijing step up its show of force? One thing is for sure: the South China Sea remains one of the most contested waters in the world, and the stakes have never been higher. Bureau Report, India Today Global.